The development and manufacturing of biologics, combination products, and vaccines require a high level of technical expertise, operational control, and regulatory compliance. In today's rapidly advancing pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries, organizations must ensure that every stage of manufacturing is executed with precision, efficiency, and consistency. At Oak Biosolutions, we provide end-to-end manufacturing support solutions that help companies successfully navigate complex production environments from clinical development through commercial manufacturing. Our team supports biologics, vaccines, and combination product manufacturing operations by ensuring alignment with current good manufacturing practice, or GMP, requirements and global regulatory expectations. We work closely with manufacturing teams to improve operational readiness, optimize production workflows, and maintain product quality throughout the manufacturing lifecycle.
One of our core strengths is supporting deviation investigations, out-of-specification events known as OOS, and out-of-trend events, or OOTs, along with CAPA management activities.
We utilize a science-based approach focused on root cause analysis, risk mitigation, and timely resolution to help organizations minimize operational disruptions while maintaining compliance standards. Our experts ensure that investigations are thorough, data-driven, and properly documented to satisfy both internal quality requirements and regulatory expectations. Oak Biosolutions also supports technology transfer and process scale-up activities that are essential for successful product lifecycle progression. Transitioning products from development to commercial manufacturing can be challenging, especially when scaling complex biologic processes. Our team helps organizations streamline tech transfer activities, coordinate cross-functional operations, and establish manufacturing readiness programs that reduce risk and improve operational efficiency. In addition, we help optimize manufacturing processes using data-driven insights and continuous improvement strategies. By analyzing production trends, process performance, and operational workflows, we help clients improve product yield, enhance manufacturing efficiency, and strengthen overall product quality. Our goal is to support reliable, scalable, and compliant manufacturing operations that meet both business and patient needs. At Oak Biosolutions, we understand that every manufacturing program has unique technical and operational requirements. That's why we provide customized support solutions tailored to each client's specific objectives, timelines, and regulatory considerations. Whether supporting clinical stage manufacturing or commercial production operations, our team is committed to helping organizations achieve operational excellence and long-term success. To learn more about our biologics, combination products, and vaccines manufacturing support services, please visit www.oakbiosolutions.com.